Hi, I'm Gemma. I've just completed the 5-day plastering course at YTA and I've had a really good time. Before the course, I'd done no plastering before whatsoever, and actually I had a really small amount of DIY experience. So I was a little bit apprehensive that maybe I wouldn't have kind of the right level of skill to be able to do the course, but that absolutely was not the case. The instruction has been absolutely wonderful. The bays are really nice and spacious, so you do get a lot of room to really practice what it is that you're trying to do. And because there's so few people on the course, it means actually there's quite a lot of one-to-one support as well, which has been absolutely brilliant. I've achieved an awful lot and I'm really proud of what I've been able to do with the ceilings and the walls and with the boards. And there's certainly a lot that I can take from it in terms of small projects that I really wanted to do, which was the original reason for me doing the course. And actually I look forward to learning a lot more as well.